Lucas.
Hello.
Today I am going to tell you about some good manners. Are you ready to learn it?
Yes.
Okay. So Lucas, you must wear your dress by yourself.
Yes.
Now pull your jacket zip up. You close the jacket. Very good. Now wear your pant by yourself. Pull it up. Now wear your socks by yourself. Very good, Lucas.
Thank you. Thank you.
Which pair of shoes you want to wear, Lucas?
Blue one.
Blue one? Okay. Now you are ready to go out. Well done, Lucas. Hello, Lucas.
Yes.
Now I will tell you how to use your washroom by your own.
Yes.
Sit on the cupboard. Use the toilet. After that, use the toilet paper. Wipe yourself. Flush it.
Yes.
Well done, Lucas. Wash your hands.
Okay.
Wipe with the help of towel. Well done, Luke. Hello, Ruby.
Yes.
Today I am going to tell you what to do before going to the bed. Before going to the bed, you must clean your face. Very good. You must clean your teeth also. Because of brushing, your teeth will be cleaned and germs will be killed. Wow, well done, Ruby. Hello, Lucas.
Yes.
You must learn the manners before going to eat food. You must clean your hands with a soap before eating the food. Clean your hands. Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean. Wash your hand with the help of water. Very good, Lucas.